There's no sunshine when it's raining. I ask myself, is it karma or is it training? Now, let's get it right. You're far from right if you're far right. But if you're far left, or maybe a dogmatic Christian, could it be that you're a little bit of a hypocrite? Because when it comes to Islam, oh, I know you mean no harm, but your only argument is that women should be showing their camel toe in aerobic, rather than admitting that you're kind of phobic. The devil is in the detail. Or is it in political correctness? Oh, I don't know. But you know what I do know? Karen, it shows. Because what colour is your emoji? Do you follow me? Anyway, my name's Colin. I've got no proof, but I talk the truth.